Hello everyone, I am Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC coming at you with the Radiator hoses from Tusk. Alright everyone, so today we're going to take a quick look at these Radiator hoses coming from Tusk. So if you're needing new Radiator hoses, whether yours are worn out or maybe they're cracked, if you want to optimize your cooling system, or maybe you just want to give a facelift to your motorcycle, well these are going to outperform your OEM Radiator hoses and they're at a really good price point. So what makes them so nice is that they're going to be thicker than your OEM hoses, so that's going to increase your pressure tolerance. They also have heat-resistant fibers that are embedded in the hose, so that's going to make them stronger. And they have a nice smooth coating on the inside, or a smooth surface, that's going to optimize your coolant flow. Now, as you can see on the table in front of me, we have these in several different colorways. That's why I say they give a cool facelift, a cool look to your bike. And remember though, they are machine specific, so when you're picking yours up, you want to enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike, and that's going to give you exact fitment. Now when it comes to install, super simple. These are going to be OEM fitment, so you're literally just going to take off your hoses you have now, and you're going to put these on. Now when you're doing that, remember that a lot of riders will actually drain their coolant, and then they'll put it back in when they're done. Nothing wrong with that. You can do that if you want to. Just keep in mind that periodically it's not a bad idea to actually flush your coolant system and get some new coolant in there. So if you haven't done that for a while, probably not a bad idea to do so. And there they are. Those are the Radiator hoses coming from Tusk. Again, thicker and stronger than OEM hoses and a rock solid price point. If you guys have any questions about these, comment below, give us a call or chat live online. We'll get you taken care of. And to pick yours up, click on the link or head over to our website at RockyMountainATVMC.com. Don't forget that orders over $75 ship free. And if you guys like this product spotlight and you want to see more, well, just make sure to click and subscribe. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain, and see you on the trails.